My country people, this popular Nollywood actor TC Okofor, popularly known as TC Vırus, don dey trend on this internet space for a wrong reason. As so many people come dey wonder why he's carrying Fanta up and down ever since the demise of his colleague Junior Pope. We all can recall that he's one of the survivors of the boat accident wey happen whereby Junior Pope and some crew members. Some people come dey wonder again, say what's with Fanta and this guy? Say this one no dey ordinary again, abi get something where this boy no tell us. A lot of reactions from different people. Some people don't even they call him king of Fanta. Do you get? Like, hey God. This new lifestyle of TC Vırus don dey make a lot of people query his actions. Some people can't they believe wetin Maluk talk about him being jealous of late Junior Pope. Wetin we go call this one now? The oga patapata of them all wey make some people believe wetin Maluk in the recent video where TC Vırus do, where people see him making some incantation. Make we watch some videos and see people's reactions.
Give me Fanta first now.
This one talk say it's very important in life for us to know our enemies on time and free far away from them. It's obvious that this guy had been jealous of JP from Adama's write-up yesterday. Immediately he saw the opportunity by him, he didn't hesitate. This should be a lesson to us all. My people. Another person talks say popularity that will only last for few months. After that, nobody go remember you again, and you know why? Enjoy while it lasts. My people waiting on a thing, cause there has been a lot of reactions from different people. I can't the one that say is it not for us to celebrate this guy that God gave second chance? Why are we dragging him? Make we allow him live the best of his life. They easy to survive, they easy. At least to me, maybe he's using it as a trademark for his brand. In this popularity of a thing, nothing is where people drag you with, or the thing will make you popular. Now you go they use as trademark for your brand. I think that is what he's doing. I beg, make we leave him. Make we not push him to depression. Okay, guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more banging news with the tutorial body, and drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Now, bye.